In this demo, we're going to create an Azure Container Registry. I've already got a resource group called Azure DevOps RG, and currently that has no resources in it. So let's add one. I'll click Add. I'll search for any service that includes the word container, that has container service, container instances, container registry, and container monitoring solution. I'll choose a registry. Now, the Azure Container Registries are a special sort of registry in that they can be orchestrated by a variety of types of commands. This includes Docker Swarm, DCOS, and Kubernetes. In addition, they can be managed using Docker CLI style tools. Let's say we want to create the registry now. So I'll give the registry a name. I'll call this Azure DevOps ACR. Notice that it can't contain special characters. That's because some of the tooling you might work with this can't do that. Choose the appropriate resource group. Now, in terms of the admin user, this is whether you want to be able to log on with a normal username and password. Some tools need that. I'll choose a basic SKU and create. We can see the Azure DevOps ACR registry has been created. I'll pop in here. Now notice it's 10 gigabytes in size. That's because I chose the basic SKU, which is usually enough for developers to work with. In addition to that size, I want to draw your attention to the automation scripts. We could use those instead of doing everything inside the graphical interface. So we have an overall template. We have parameters. In this case, the only parameter at the moment is the name of the container registry. We have pre-generated code so that we could work with CLI commands if that's what we're familiar with instead. We could also work with PowerShell, and this is providing us a template for that. We have .NET code in case we want to do that directly from a .NET program. And in addition, they've provided Ruby code here so that we could work with that if Ruby is our favorite thing. Now finally, what we use inside the container registries are repositories. And at the moment, you'll see that we don't have any, but that's what we're about to create in a later demo.